Let's start with the dissection of the scalp. First, let's reflect the flaps of skin by marking the incision. The first incision is started from the root of the nose and extended vertically along the midline and then continued along the sagittal suture until we reach the external occipital protuberance. This is the first incision. The second incision now is given off transversely from the midpoint of the first incision and then given along the lateral side of the scalp until we reach the root of the ear, extended anteriorly, and the same incision is extended posteriorly. Now let's mark this incision on the right side also. Extend it in front of the ear and extend it behind the ear. This completes the incision. Now we will reflect the flaps of skin anteriorly and laterally, posteriorly and laterally.